Today we're going to do a little experiment. I've got a butane gas canister and I've got a butane-propane mix. Let's find out if there's any difference in their performance. So how are we going to test them out? Well, I'm going to use one of these with 2 cups of water. And to get really scientific, I'm going to use this thermometer jobber. Let's go for the butane-propane mix first. 2 cups of water. I spilled a bit, so I'll put a tiny bit more in. Lid on, and let's fire them up. I can see steam. Celsius boiling. I'll put the results on the screen. I've got a brand new can of butane gas. We've also put a little adapter on top of there, and I'm going to use him with the MSR low-down stove. If you want to know what about these gas adapters, I've done a video on that. Screw him in. And then we'll switch him on at this end. So now the gas is in the bottom of there. 2 cups of water as we did before. Lid on. Let's see how close we are. Put it out. So there you have it. You now know which one boils faster. Before I forget, there's something I need to point out. The butane gas, as the can runs down, the pressure becomes less and it becomes less powerful. The butane-propane gas is pretty consistent all the way through the can.